Good morning, traders, and welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I'm Tepo back again with another analysis video. It is Tuesday today, London session. We're about 30 minutes out from London session, so let's get right into it. Starting with the Dow Jones, we had two levels of rise. We did have some bullish movement yesterday, but I think we'll definitely still get another level of rise or even more actually, because if we look at the higher time frame, we're definitely in a bullish trend. So Dow Jones is definitely a good idea to bet on the American economy, so to speak. So we'll definitely be looking to take some longs there. And then when I look at the 15 minutes, I see that we do have last week's high over here. The only issue is that the ADR low is really close, but we could be looking to take some positions here. To be completely honest, it's not very likely. I'm probably going to stay out because this is actually really close. In fact, let me not even cause any confusion for myself. I will be staying out of this completely. But I do expect them to continue going long and then maybe even reverse later on this week. Moving on to Nasdaq. Nasdaq was pretty much consolidated yesterday. In fact, gave some bearish movement, sorry, but I still expect them to continue rising because they did give us one level of rise, and I count this as part of their consolidation. So I expect them to definitely give us a stop hunt low rise. I've said this before, I would love for them to come down here, but there's actually a very nice region here between yesterday's low, the initial low of the day, and last month's high. So is it last month's high or last month's low before? Yeah, last month's high. Definitely looking to go long here. Anything within this region, a good reversal signal, I will definitely be taking a position here. GBP USD gave us three levels of drop, and then they rose. Looks like a pullback, but they rose a little bit yesterday. Well, call it, yeah, from Sunday going into Monday, they rose a little bit. So when I look at the higher time frame, I think they actually just gonna continue with a bearish movement. They haven't really completed their level count here. I expect them to do what we've got one, almost two. This is not a complete level of drop for me, so I expect them to maybe continue that and break last week's low. So yeah, I'll be definitely expecting them to go down. However, I don't have any points of interest, so I'll be staying out of GBP USD. I think the same might go for Euro USD. Yep, they gave us three levels of drop as well. They pulled it back a little bit, made it seem like a level of rise here. I'll just be monitoring price. I still won't be trading here, but I also think they will continue. Let's look at the higher time frame. Our 4 hour level count, they definitely haven't finished their third level. Yeah, this is definitely not complete. So I think they will continue going down. They might go back to last week's high, maybe. But nonetheless, I would not be taking any positions because, like I said, the ADR is not in our favor here. AUD USD is a little bit confusing if I'm being honest when I look at the 1 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour actually. Yes, we've had two levels of drop here. Actually, there is nothing confusing as far as I can tell. The ADR has been hit for today, so I won't be trading anything nonetheless. But I would be expecting, well, it looks quite obvious in hindsight now because I would have been expecting them to drop. But let's just say from tomorrow, I'll still be expecting to short this thing unless they close price significantly above here, and then that could signal an uptrend. But for now, I expect them to continue dropping in line with the higher time frame, of course. Moving on to AUD USD, they are also done for the day, but just so we know, the higher time frame bullish sentiment is back on again, as you can see here. They broke last week's high, and I think we've had on the 4 hour, we've had our two levels of rise here. So when we look at the 1 hour, we've had two levels of rise already, if we count this one as a level, because it's definitely our peak formation low. So ideally, if the ADR hadn't been hit already, I'd be looking to take longs from here. But like I say, it's been hit already, so I won't be trading anything here. But I definitely expect them to continue the higher time frame movement. Dollar Swiss franc looks like could continue the high time frame move as well. I expect them to continue rising. When I look at the higher time frame, also, it would only make sense for them to continue rising. Yes, they gave us two levels of rise. Oh, actually, this is quite more than that. It's one, two, three levels of rise, and they've been relaxing in what looks like level three. So maybe if they break this, they'll be continuing the uptrend on the higher time frame. But coming to down to the 1 hour, they gave us two levels, and yeah, this is level three behavior over here. However, I will be looking for long positions from this point here. We'll see how that plays out. Again, because I only take high probability trades. If this isn't the move for the day, I'm not likely to get a setup anyway. But if they give us something very clear here, I will be in a trade for sure. And finally, the S&P 500, we're definitely still in an uptrend here as far as I'm concerned. We've had two levels of rise, and then yesterday was pretty much a consolidation period because they close price right where they opened, started at the beginning of the day. So here again, I'd be looking to go long. My ideal setup, of course, would be like this if they give us a little stop hunt to last week's high there. Preferably, again, oh, we could actually even get something at yesterday's low. Okay, so we have quite a big area of interest here, including Asia's low. Ideally, they give us a trap move going down here that closes above the initial low of the day and yesterday's low. If it's even above last week's high, then even better. It will make for a better confluence. So we'll just wait for a stop hunt and then regard if we get it. Then I'll definitely be in for a long. And that's it for today's analysis video. I'd like to know what you guys will be trading today. If you guys will be entertaining anything from the pound, those are that I'll be staying out from anyway. So please do join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. And I'd love to hear what you guys are doing, how your trades are going, and just please give me a like there, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.